Right, our first program is to copy the content from one memory location to another memory location, right? So our program is write a program to copy the content of memory location 2050H to 3050H, right? So here our input is at 2050H 45H and output is at 3050H is equal to 45H, right? So our data is at one location, one memory location, and we transfer this data to the another memory location. So for writing the program, first we load the memory address. Our memory address is 16-bit data. So for loading the 16-bit data, we use the LXI instruction. Right. So first we write down the LXI H2050H. HL register pair is used as a memory. Right. So LXI H2050H. Right. In 8085, there is no direct instruction to transfer the data from one memory location to another memory location. So first we use the move instruction to transfer the memory location data to the any other register, right? So here we use the accumulator, right? So we transfer the data from memory location to accumulator. For that we write down the instruction move from M to A, right? So our data is at accumulator, right? Now our data is in one register. Now we load the second memory address for transferring the data. So our second memory address is 3050H. This is also 16-bit address, right? So for loading this, we use the LXI instruction. So we write down LXI H3050H, right? Now our second memory address is here, right? So we transfer the data from accumulator to memory location. So for that we use the move instruction, move from A to M, right? So our data will be transferred to the 3050H memory address. So our program is completed. So last instruction is halt. HLT means end of the program. So this is we write in a word, right? Now we use this program to run. For running this program, we use the 8085 simulator, right? So in 8085, here is our simulator, 8085 simulator. So for programming, first we write down the program, right? So our first instruction is LXI H2050H, right? Move from M to A, right? Now another instruction is LXI H3050H, right? Move A to M, right? And end of the program halt, right? So we write down the whole program. Now we save this program, right? So for saving, we go into the file icon, right? In this save assembly language code, right? Click on save assembly language code, right? So we have an option. So we write down name of the program. For example, it is A11, right? Save mnemonics, right? So our program is saved, right? Now our program is totally related to the memory location, right? Here we have three displayed: register, memory and devices, right? So in register, all content related to this program will be displayed, right? What is the effect on each and every register will be displayed in these registers, right? Our program is related to memory, so we click on memory, right? So here all memory address will be shown whichever is used with your programming, right? For LXI is your 3-byte instruction, right? So there are 3 memory location, 3 memory address are used, right? So that will be displayed in this program, right? In this content, right? So for running the program, we go on store directly to specified memory location. For giving input, we write down the memory address 2050. On that address, we enter some data, for example, 56H. Right? Now click on any one cell. Now run for running of the program, we go to the simulation. On simulation, there are three options: run all at time, run step by step, and stop. So we run the program step by step. So we use run step by step, and from first line to last line, so we use the forward. Right? So forward. So first line is LXIH 2050. Right? So our at 2050 we get the 56. Right? Which we give the input. Right? Now next forward, so move from M to A. So our answer, our data will be in accumulator. That will be displayed in this. Right? In accumulator we get the 56. Right? Our data in accumulator. Right? Now next line LXIH 3050H. Right? Now next line move from A to M. So we get the, here we get the output. At 3050 we get the 56H. Right? So our program is to transfer the data from one memory location 2050H to 3050H. It is completed. Right? We give the input at 2050H 56H. That input we get at the, we get this input as a output at 3050H memory address. Right? So here our program is end of the program is HLT. Right? So our program is end. Right? So this type of programming in 8085 memory, in 8085 microprocessor. Thank you.